Hey guys, this is Tina. Welcome to Soo Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you an incredible crab dish. If you are visiting Shanghai or Eastern China in around autumn time and ask locals for top favorite dishes during this season, the river crab is definitely number one on the list. Today, I'm going to show you one of the locals' favorite ways to cook the crab. Here we are at the local grocery market. Let's see where we can find the little river crabs. No, they are not literally little, just slightly smaller than usual crabs from the sea. Remember, you can always substitute the river crabs with other common crabs, like mud crabs, king crabs, brown crabs, Dungeness crab, even lobsters can do. Good quality river crab is not cheap. The price is around $20 each, so it's usually not an everyday dish. We can reserve it to some special occasions or festivals. The crabs are already tied up with cotton strings. We need 2 crabs for today's dish, 1 female and 1 male. It's a good mix because some different flavors from their crab roe. Now we can start cooking. First thing first, always have a really good wash. The size of the crabs varies a lot, from quarter kilo to nearly 1 kilogram, so the steam time may be different. Today, our crabs are almost half kilo each, so it took me about 15 minutes to do. If you are not quite sure how well it is cooked, check the color. When it turns to complete red, it means well cooked. Next step is to take the meat and roll out. In terms of the equipment, I got the crab pick here. This is what you need to get in to those little pieces of the crab and pull the meats out. Look at the crab roe. The color of the female roe is a bit reddish orange to golden color. The texture is very juicy and tender. The male roe is clear but very creamy and sticky, like a chocolate slowly melting in your mouth. Wow, it made me mouth-watering already. This step needs a lot of patience here, so don't rush, because good stuff always worthwhile to wait. Woohoo! We got all the meats here. Last piece to prepare is Soo Tofu. You can find it in any Asian grocery store. Cut it into small cubic. Pour 1 or 2 tablespoons cooking oil in the frying pan. Wait until the oil temperature turns to over 100 degrees. Add the ginger and green onion. Then we gently cook the crab roe first to push out all the flavor until the oil turns to golden color. Let the nice smell spread over your kitchen. Now we can add some crab meat. Have a quick stir fry to keep the juicy taste. Then add 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine and then the tofu. Let's add more flavor to this dish. 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Pour 100 ml boiling water. Keep very low heat to cook for about 2 minutes. Add a little bit baby peas to give the dish additional color and texture as well. Final step, add 10 ml water mixed with cornstarch. Have a good mix of all ingredients. Before eating, we can highlight with some chopped spring onion. Look at the color. I'm really starving now. It is a perfect dish to have it with noodle or rice. Let's have a try. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to give a thumb up and subscribe my channel. More delicious food is coming on the way.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
This is Soo Kitchen. See you next time. Bye for now.